Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 when it's unable to connect to EA servers. Whether you're frustrated by constant connection errors or you just want to get back into the game quickly, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, make sure any VPN or proxy you might be using is completely disabled. These can often block Battlefield 6 from reaching the EA servers. Once that's done, open the Start menu and search for View Network Connections. Click on it, then find your active network adapter. Double-click it, go to Properties, and select Internet Protocol version 4. Here, make sure both Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. Click OK to save the changes. Next, search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click it, and run it as administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type ipconfig.flushdns and press enter. Then, type netwinsock reset and press enter again. This refreshes your network settings and can solve a lot of connection issues. To make the process smoother, make sure your internet connection is stable and your firewall isn't blocking the game. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent repeated connection errors. Once you've completed these steps, restart your PC. After rebooting, launch Battlefield 6 and check if the connection issue is resolved. If it's still not working, check the EA server status page using this link to see if the servers are temporarily offline. Sometimes, all you need is a little patience until they're back online. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the unable to connect to EA servers error and get back to playing Battlefield 6 without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped, don't forget to share it with a friend who might be stuck too. Why not make their day a little easier?